The RP comes with EZwrite, BenQ's cloud-based whiteboard. It replicates the look and feel of a traditional whiteboard and is packed with features designed for active learning. Simply pick up a stylus or use your own finger to write on the board, and use your palm to erase. Teachers can conveniently import images and documents from the display's internal storage, USB drive, or cloud storage, and place them directly on the whiteboard. With the floating tool, you can capture the screen, including content from other apps, websites, and videos, and import them on the whiteboard. The class can then further discuss the content and make annotations. Students in class can simply scan the QR code on the interactive display to join. Teachers can select broadcast mode to share the board, or enable co-creation mode to let students add content. While students at home can join by entering the room ID on the EZwrite webpage. EZwrite offers tools that help boost student participation. TeamPost, for example, allows you to host competitions between students. There are also other tools that make for convenient teaching. As the whiteboard begins to fill up, you can simply add new pages to continue your lesson without having to erase the board and disrupt the flow. You can even change backgrounds or the order of the pages. To help with learning retention, teachers can export the whiteboard or record the lesson and share with the class so that students can watch and listen on their own time. Since students no longer need to take notes, they can focus more on the discussion during class. As you can see, EZwrite is much more than just a whiteboard. It lets you customize your lessons, access your cloud storage, import teaching materials, and give your students a more immersive, hands-on learning experience.